this is a disclosure. If you are here today for the really mild toned down Stylist Raven, you are not going to get her. Because Maybelline with this Python line then brought me baby. This is like an alter ego. First impression. Lip swatch. Try on. All that. To the T, to the 10, to the 10th power. Gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven. So today, really quickly, I just picked this up. I just saw it. I'm always scanning the over-the-counter makeup section when I go to the store, and bam, I found this. Now they had several shades. I only picked up the two that were more like interesting to me, so to speak. So this is going to be like a first impression and review based on these two products. Yes, I didn't even set up like a background behind me or none of that. I wanted to give y'all the real, so here it is. So I'm just opening my packaging. Tell me what y'all been doing today. Today is MLK Day. So what did you do today? Did you barbecue? What you? Ooh, I like this. I like this. This looks just real upscale-ish, just real. Like Maybelline, y'all don't sleep. I like L'Oreal, I like CoverGirl, but Maybelline really does good when it comes to packaging and their products. So I'm really excited to see this. This one has a 24-month life expectancy for the shelf. So that's pretty good. You can use it 2 years before you have to toss it. And it's a metallic lip kit. This one is number 25 in Valiant, I guess that's what it is, Valiant. So I'm assuming I just do this with my fingers maybe, but y'all know I gotta have a brush. So unfortunately, I don't know. Let me see. Oh, it feels really smooth. I might can just use my finger. So I'm assuming this is step 1. Pose for the clamor. Click. Okay, I would definitely suggest that your lips need to be exfoliated. Mine's kind of are. I need more pigment than what I'm getting though. There we go. Okay, so instead of rubbing it in, I was just dabbing it on because you get more pigmentation. Make sure that your hands are clean. Grab with the brush and see what we get. This is my shader lid Sigma E56 brush, but I'm just going to use it to see. Okay, so it gives about the same amount of coverage. And actually, I feel like you would lose stuff using the brush. Those are really creamy. Almost like a gel. I don't even want to say gel. More like a creamy. You remember when you was little and you used to play in makeup? And you get the little makeup kit from like the dollar store or the grocery store. And it was like that cream gel type-ish. Well, that's the feel. That's like the feel that I'm getting. All right, step 2. Let's take this one. I just love this Python whole thing they got going. So let's take this finger. Ooh, girl. Oh, God. I really hope this is showing up like on camera because this is absolutely stunning. Make me want to be like, where my husband at? Maybe I'm over the top because I want like more in that middle. So if you don't know how to do an ombre lip, this lip kit is for you. Would I suggest it? Yes. Because look. Can y'all see? Maybe if I box in my lips like this. I like this. Like, I would be like over the top extra. I wonder if you could wear it just with like the shiny one too. I'm like really adding it. Y'all, it's like a highlighter for your lip. So I've waited about 10 minutes or so just to see if like this was going to start to crack or dry down or what. So far it does kind of like rub off. Nothing really bad. When I say it just wipes off with one just little makeup wipe. Look at this. I don't have any glitter, any type of residue back. No crusty crab. None of that. None of that. Oh, I saved the best for last, the blue, because my favorite color is blue. This one is called Venomous. Ooh, girl. Y'all wasn't ready. Y'all wasn't ready. So once again, I'm going to just use my finger. Look how pretty. Look how... Y'all tried it. Y'all tried it, but I'm trying to tell... Ooh, baby. Ooh. I hope this show. I hope this show. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint. So much pigment. And again, I'm going to dab it on. I'm not going to rub it on. Oh, I'm going to do both. Shit. Stop judging me. I really like how it applies on. And it's like the more you layer it, the darker the pigment. So if you're really like into doing something bold, funky, crazy, go ahead. If you're not and you're trying to play it safe, this ain't for you. This ain't for you. You. Yes. Ooh. I'm excited. I feel like the first time I got an ice cream cone. The first time I had a BFF. Like the first time I got my first kiss. Like when I got to college and I had my sweetheart, he gave me that. Yo, oh my God, oh my God. I almost like don't want to waste it. Like I just want to put it on my eyes or something. I mean, they didn't say I could do this and all, but hey. It's a first impressions. Why not? Shit, I ain't trying to waste nothing. Might as well. You might as well. Ooh. Something is so wrong with me. Why am I so extra at times? Like, this said Venomous for your lips. I done went to my eyes. I was like, we just kicking it. I had to do it. Okay, let me come back. Let me come back. Okay, so I'm rolling around. See, I'm back to normal. Y'all see that? Ooh, girl. Ooh. Ooh. One little, two little, three little inches. Fine. Now, I would suggest if you're using your finger, you have to keep switching fingers so you don't dip the blue into your lighter color. Oh, God. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, do y'all see that? Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I mean, I shouldn't have went extra and put it on my eyes because I probably just did the most. Y'all check for them lips while I'm doing this. Check for them lips, honey. Check for them lips, hunty. Yes. What? I feel like Trina, like I'm the baddest bitch. Yes, I feel like I've slayed all day today on this Martin Luther King Day with these lips. Maybelline, I'm calling y'all first thing in the morning. I got y'all numbers in my pocket. Don't act like you don't know me when I'm at the door and I'm asking you, why do you do this to me? Like, just because I like these two, I feel like I want to go get the other ones and just see how they look on me too, because damn, who don't want to be bomb? Girl, you do you look. You don't really need a lot going on when you're doing your lips, but if you want to be extra, you can do that too on the lids, however it is you choose. But this is, I'm going to call my husband. I want to see if it's, you know, like do it stain. I don't know. TMI? Yeah, TMI. Bye. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because if you here on my channel already, then you know what the deal is. Really, you do. And if this is your first time, go watch some of my previous videos. You know you like my channel trailer. Go ahead and subscribe. If you didn't see it, go watch it. Like everything about me, go watch it. Go watch it. Go watch it. Don't make me come for you in the comments. Don't make me come for you in these YouTube streets, because I bees in the trap. No, not the trap. I bees in the street. Nicki Minaj says something. So just to show y'all how easily this comes off, y'all, I really hope it's picking up on camera, because in the mirror, I just feel like I want to go everywhere so people can stop me and be like, oh my God, I love your lipstick. Oh my God. And then I can be like, thank you. So let me show y'all how easy this comes off. Look, this is just a makeup wipe. My lips don't feel irritated, nothing. And I just previously had the other one on. It's no glitter residue. My lips still feel soft, moisturized. Look, shit. What is it that y'all want me to say? How many times do I have to tell you? Maybelline ain't paid me. I'm not no big subscriber from YouTube and all of this. I ain't got all them views. This is just me. A little girl from Lake Charles telling y'all, why my lips feel soft. Why? Like, I feel like if this is something that rubs off when you eat, you could just wipe it off, and then you can come back with your little mirror compact in your purse and put it back on after you eat, and your lips will still be fine. What? Girl, I'm checking for it. Maybelline, I'm checking for it. I don't even know what I'm still wiping. I just can't believe it. Look how soft. Succulent. Succulent.